question 11, you're asked to plot the data presented for the maximum daily temperature versus the influenza admissions, run the data on the correlation coefficient, and thirdly, ask the question, does your results show that cool temperature cause influenza? Now, a word of caution, whenever we're dealing with data we're analysing, we're not looking at causation, we're looking at patterns and trends. There can be many other factors at play. Now, I've sketched this as well on my graph. You can see there clearly is a downward trend there. So as the temperature increases, the number of flu cases or admittances will decrease. When you enter that on your calculator, calc, regression, linear regression, copy the formula. Haven't been asked to use that yet, but very, very good habit to get into. And you can see we've got a correlation coefficient of negative 0.8374. Now that's in the bracket of a strong negative correlation between the variables. We'll just see how that looks on the graph. You can see there, even with this skewed scaling, as the temperature increases, the number of flu admittances does decrease. I'll show you what you can write as an answer now. So write down the strong negative correlation. So strong negative correlation between the variables. So the greater the maximum temperature is, the fewer admitted flu cases. Now, whilst there's obviously a relationship between these trends, you don't get as many people getting the flu in the middle of summer. But we can't just attribute the cause to the temperature. Relationship could be due to a large number of factors. Flu tends to spread as well. The health and fitness and age factors have to be considered as well. So please notice, whilst we're looking for a relationship, we're not looking for causation. There can be many cases where we could say that or hypothesize that, but clearly there are other factors that must be considered as we do our work.